In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to prompts in Lovable. This is a fantastic way to enhance your communication in chat projects, making it more engaging and visually appealing. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the steps. First, open up your web browser and head over to Lovable's website. If you're not already logged in, do so with your credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you're new to the platform, Lovable hosts your projects and makes it easy to manage visual and text elements in one smooth workflow. Now that we're logged in, the next step is to select your project. You'll find your list of projects on the main page. Click on the project you're working on. This step is crucial because it ensures that all the modifications you make, like adding an image, are applied to the correct project. Take care if you're juggling multiple projects to click on the correct one. With your project open, look for the chat section. You should see a plus sign, typically located near the input area where you type your messages. This plus sign holds the key to expanding your options for interaction, including the addition of images. Click on that plus sign to proceed. After hitting the plus sign, you'll be presented with a few options. Among these, you'll see an option called Attach. Selecting Attach will open a new dialog window where you can browse through your system's files. This is where you are going to select the image you wish to upload. Make sure the image is relevant to the conversation or prompt you're engaging with, as this will make your communication more effective and cohesive. Navigate through your files and pinpoint the exact image you want to use. Once you found it, select it, and it will appear ready to be inserted into your chat. It's as simple as drag and drop and works with the most common image file types like JPEG and PNG. Once your image is chosen, type in any accompanying text or actions you'd like associated with the image. This could be a caption, a question to spur conversation, or any instructions pertinent to the viewers on the other side. This is a helpful step because it provides context and can streamline subsequent interactions or responses. Finally, once everything looks great and professional, hit enter. By doing so, you finalize the addition of your image to the prompt. Just like that, you have successfully incorporated an image into your Lovable project, enhancing its interactive quality. And there you have it. You're now equipped to add images to prompts in Lovable, opening up a new dimension of interaction in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy chatting!